Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to replace the dust bag in MOVA V50 Ultra dock station. In order to do it, you will need to open the door on the robot, the base station, which are right here, and then you'll find the dust bag right here. Then there's this tab that you can pull in order to, once you pull on it, it will first close. Well, it didn't close fully, but technically it should close the intake here. So once you remove it, it doesn't, the dust doesn't fall out, and then you can just dispose the bag. And then a fresh one can be installed. Well, this one hasn't been used yet, so you can see it is empty, so I'll just put it back in. It can be installed by sliding into here. Make sure no material, no fabric gets stuck. So I recommend actually holding it like that, so you don't get the fabric caught on the mount, and then you can basically close it. So I hope that this video was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.